Kapag date night with Daddy A, lagi naming goal, something new, something special, pero hindi kailangang mahal. Kaya naman this time, pumunta kami sa Little Tokyo, Makati City dahil balita ko, may isang Japanese restaurant doon na nag-o-offer ng wide varieties of Japanese foods at may teppanyaki pa nga. Hindi ko na to i-gate trip pa because in this not so hidden gem of Little Tokyo, matatagpuan ang Mizaki. Makikita nyo sa labas may tables and chairs for diners but mas prefer namin kumain sa loob. Anyway, it's a simple Japanese restaurant with that homey and warm vibe. Plus, may private room rent for small events or gatherings. Well, isa sa highlight ng date namin dito is yung live cooking ni Chef just right in front of us with fun tricks and kulitan moments na extra entertaining. To start with, we ordered their teppanyaki set A. It's their beef and tiger prawn set. Nagustuhan ko yung beef, medium cooked, tender, juicy, melts in your mouth, and full of savory goodness. Tiger prawns are fresh with light smoky flavor, garlicky, and buttery. Kasama na rin dito yung refillable miso soup, vegetable salad, wasabi octopus, and fried rice. Nag-add rin pala kami ng mango eel maki. It's 8 pieces for 550 pesos. Freshly made by the chef. Love the balance of sweet mango and savory unagi. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Kulang sa amin yung 8 pieces. Kamuntik pa ako maubusan. So, I must say, it's a 10 out of 10 for us. So, if you want a romantic, sulit, and interactive date night just like me and Daddy A, tara sa Misaki for a premium experience without breaking the budget.